Namaste and good morning, everyone. Welcome to day one of my Hard 75 challenge. Today is the day one, and right now it's almost 11:50 a.m. in the morning, and I haven't completed any tasks of 75 hard rule. So the reason for that was I was in the meeting at university, and I go for something as well. That's why I didn't complete any tasks so far. Maybe I will complete my tasks by 12 p.m. in the night. For now, I'm gonna make the breakfast, which is like oats and yogurt. And I brought some fruits from the market so you guys can see watermelon and some kind of mysterious kind of fruit. So I'm gonna try this one today, and some bananas and cherries. And after that, I will be bringing my first, second, and third meal, which will be chicken and no. So we are run out of chicken, so we're gonna make like beef and rice. Beef means and rice. So for 2 meal, and I will be off to work. Like I have work from 1 a.m. in the 1 p.m. Sorry, 1 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. So I will be working there, and after that I will go gym. Then I'll go for running. Then I'll maybe if I got time right then I will read a book. Otherwise, it's I will be reading book at night. So this is my first breakfast. 200 grams of yogurt, 170 grams of oats, and some cherries on top, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Hey guys, welcome back to our video. So it's the day one of 75 hard challenge, and right now it's 10:50, almost 11 p.m. So almost midnight. Why I'm making video this late? Because I had a work from 1 to 9:30. It took me like 30 minutes to go to 30 minutes to come from the workplace to the home, and I already ate my second last meal, which was like four large egg omelets and two tortillas, which is wrap, then and like two slices of bars of cheese. Yeah, that's it. And I have to wait for like half an hour to digest that meal, so I got spare time. So I'm gonna read this book, which is another component of 75 hard challenge. So by the second workout, we're gonna complete our 4 tasks. We will be only left by like one task, which is by nutrition. So it will be completed by our last meal. I started eating 3000 calories because I'm doing 2 exercise. So yeah, and we got like we are getting leaner and leaner. I don't know why. Maybe because of too much cardio. So, and it's too late to go to the gym. I hope it's empty and we are able to film a video. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna read this book, and I'll catch you guys in the gym probably.